So today I decided to visit Onitsha main market to go and see what is currently going on there, as December sales commences. So on my way going to the place, I decided to branch to this location. Is along the Oka road side after the ShopRite. So I branch to see something, and lo and behold, I find this particular thing over there. So they are currently reviving this pipe-borne water around this place. You can see that their solution is there. By the other side, we'll be seeing pipe-borne water written on the wall. So they are trying to revive the pipe-borne water around this vicinity, which I think they are already maybe some certain level done, because I also noticed that they are currently there working. And from the pipe I see from the other side, you can see that I think the work is coming to to an end, and very soon everything will be set. So from there I headed to my market. You can see for yourself in the video. This is the overcrowded main market. The overcrowded main market, guys. I thought things were hard, that there is no money and people might not be able to shop for this Christmas. But lo and behold, when I get to this place, I was thinking of making a full video to see how the whole area is looking like. But immediately I get to this place, guys, I couldn't even I was unable to make the video. The ones you are watching right now, I kind of gather enough morale to climb to this staircase to be able to capture them. Honestly, the crowd is too much. It's too much, man. I can't bring out my phone to film before somebody will snatch it away. Oh god, this is the crowd at main market Onitsha. So guys, if you have watched this video to this extent, do subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, and don't forget to share. So tell us what you feel. If you feel good about this, if people actually don't have money or they are just pretending, because honestly I'm surprised. Thank you for watching. Do have a wonderful day. We meet you again in our another update.